Hey, welcome to Rolling Stones, Musicians on Musicians, here at the Royal Sonesta Hotel.
I want to say thank you to the Sonesta Travel Pass members for joining us here tonight.
You both kind of have an authentic, vintage sound to the music you make.
Mostly I like old music because it's easy to remember the chords.
Amen. People in New Orleans entertain every day, and half the time the music is free.
Tank is singular. Like, there's not an artist out there like her.
How does it make you feel to know that you guys will one day be the queer elders that other people are looking at?
I just live in my truth, and I want people to be able to see how I live in my truth, and they can do the same.
I think as soon as we wrote Better Off, we were like, whoa, this is crazy. Like, something special happened when we make music together.
Those words, girl power, came from Riot Girl. Everybody today talks about girl power. That was us. And I do think that, it kind of changed a whole generation.
And thank you again to all our Sonesta Travel Pass members. We're so happy to have you guys here.